So one of the things that I failed with, I've been listening to Matt, and Matt is disrupting the concept. It's so difficult for us to not feel like we need to say quickly things because we have like that 20 seconds before he puts down the phone. But now that I'm getting used to, and I heard Peter talking, as soon as he say, my name is Peter, and the and immediately like,
he lost you, right, Phil?
it's a sales call. Chat is a sales call. And then
Correct.
You can, excuse me, you just vomited all the things that you do. I wanted to put down myself.
Yeah, and it's Peter. It's nothing that Peter is doing wrong. We all do this because we think that sales is different from the rest of the world, and it's not. Right? If you want to meet somebody at a bar, at a restaurant, in line at Starbucks, you don't go, my name is Matt, and I'm single, and I like to mingle, and I have a job, and I have 2 tickets to the Colorado Avalanche hockey game this weekend, and nothing to do. Hey, by the way, my name's Matt. What's your name? It's Brenda. Hey, Brenda, great. Have I seen you in here a lot? Yeah, I come in here. Me too, man. Awesome. Hey, I noticed you're wearing an Avalanche jersey. I'm not sure if it's for you, but I've got a couple tickets to the game this weekend if you'd like to go with me. We've got to slow down in the beginning, okay? It's no different than our personal life. It's no different than our personal relationships. The problem is, like Phil just eloquently pointed out, we get somebody on the phone, we make contact with somebody, and we're like, oh my gosh, I've got a live one. I'm just going to squeeze it and love it. And the head pops off, right? It doesn't work. You got to slow down, get them off the phone, and then put them in your pipeline to circle back in whatever your cadence is. And we can talk about that on future calls with the cadence and the circle back. Phil, great points. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.